Hello and welcome to my channel Flavorful Shots with Pallavi.
Let me introduce you to a recipe that's light, healing and packed with natural protein. Today we are making a high protein, super healthy Moringa soup. A comforting bowl made with fresh drumsticks, protein rich Masoor dal and simple ingredients straight from your kitchen. This isn't it just food, it's nourishment that strengthens your body, boosts immunity and makes you feel good from the inside out. Stay with me because this easy recipe could become your new favorite healthy habit.
So before we start, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification.
So friends, did you know Moringa has been called the miracle tree for centuries? In ancient India, Moringa was more than just food, it was medicine. Ayurveda text over 5,000 years old describe Moringa as a powerful healer, used to cleanse the blood, strengthen the immune system and balance the body's energies. In fact, warriors in ancient times would consume Moringa before battles for strength and stamina. In Africa, Moringa is called the tree of life, where its leaves, pods and even seeds are used to fight malnutrition and purify water. And now, this humble drumsticks has become a modern superfood, found in powders, capsules and smoothies. But sometimes, the most powerful way to consume is in the form of soup. If you have been looking for something that's comforting, healing and truly nourishing, this is it. Make it, taste it and let your body feel the difference. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with someone who needs a health boost and hit subscribe for more simple and soul nourishing recipes every week.
Stay tuned for my next amazing creation. Till then, keep cooking, keep enjoying. Bye-bye.